Hello and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn all the basic vocabulary you need to confidently navigate laws and politics in English, especially in the United States. If you want to improve your political English and sound more like a professional when discussing government, policies, and laws, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore essential phrases and expressions that will help you communicate effectively in political conversations. In today's video, we'll cover how to use political English like a pro. These key terms and phrases will help you engage in debates, understand political news, and express your opinions with confidence. Let's get started. First, let's define bipartisan. If a policy or law is bipartisan, it means that it has support from both major political parties. For example, the new education reform received bipartisan approval in Congress. Another key term is public policy. Public policy refers to the government's actions and strategies to solve social and economic issues such as healthcare, education, or environmental laws. Next is incumbent. The incumbent is the person currently holding a political office. For example, the incumbent president is running for re-election. You might also hear grassroots movement. This refers to political action that starts with ordinary citizens, often at the community level, and grows into a larger movement for change. Another important phrase is swing state. In U.S. elections, a swing state is one that does not consistently vote for one political party, making it a key battleground in presidential elections. Let's talk about legislative process. This refers to the steps a bill goes through before becoming a law, including introduction, debate, voting, and approval by the government. Another key term is filibuster. A filibuster is when a politician speaks for an extended period to delay or block a vote on a bill. Next is lobbying. Lobbying is when individuals or organizations try to influence politicians to pass or reject specific laws. It is common in industries like healthcare and finance. You'll also hear about constituents. Constituents are the people that a politician represents. Elected officials listen to their constituents' concerns and opinions on policies. Finally, let's discuss political capital. This phrase refers to the influence and power a politician has to push policies or reforms. Leaders use their political capital to gain support for important projects. By learning these essential political English terms, you'll be better prepared to follow political discussions, express your views clearly, and engage in debates with confidence. The more you practice, the more natural these terms will feel. If this video was helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for learners like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.